Believe it, but it is actually it's actually cold. Well, I made it. This is the Mann River camping area. This is the one when you're coming in from Glen Innes side, pretty much the first camping area. So far we haven't left the tar on the Old Grafton Road. I just thought I'd pull up here on my first night because I've just travelled from Toowoomba, and I didn't want to be rushed in any way, so I just thought I'd do one night here, one night at Del Morton, and then the third night I'm not sure, so I'll leave that one open. Look at this backdrop, beautiful, isn't it? The only thing I don't like about it, and it's probably just me, is that the Old Grafton Road is just kind of just up there, so you kind of near the road, and it is bitumen, so who knows who comes down here at night. But anyway, I'll have to set that one aside for tonight and just enjoy this wonderful scenery in place. That water looks inviting, so I'm going to be heading down there, I think, for a swim. I don't know if you can see up there, but there's plenty of cloud and it feels really, really muggy, and I feel like I really need to go and have a swim shortly, so I've got to get into this setting up my swag, so I'll get into that now and get him sorted. I've got my cover down, my mat cover, so I'm almost there. And also I'd like to mention Marshall 4x4, because in these places, especially when you're solo, there's no phone signal, and he's kindly allowed me to use his sat phone. So if you're on your own, and the way things are with snakes and all that kind of stuff, it's probably an exceptionally good idea to have some form of communication, more so if you're on your own, you haven't got your mate to, you know, run you down to the hospital or... Swim time. Set up everything. Then we have a drink. And I'm going to have a swim. Bushwakka awning. Perfect day. So, believe it, but it is actually, it's actually cold. Oh, but I'm going in for you guys. Oh. It's pretty cold. It's refreshing though. This is nice. I can just feel a few drops, and I think the drops are coming from the clouds, not the water here. You're right, I've got the swag sitting under the awning, and I've got this rope here for the water to let all the water out, so cross my fingers, eh? Just going to wait it out for a little bit before I decide when to start cooking dinner. The joys of camping in the rain. I've just been sitting in the car for about half an hour because that's about all you can do when the rain's blowing in. My seats are all wet, my fire's gone out, but I'm still smiling. Only because I can see the creek over there, and I'm out in the wild, camping, doing what I love. But yeah, it's not as much fun if it wasn't raining. Just got to work out now when and how to cook dinner. I'm just going to do a spaghetti bog tonight. Oh yes, Got me fire going again. And I'll put a towel over my seat so I can sit down. And I've just poured myself another drink, so I'm going to sit down and just enjoy life for a moment or two. There we go, there's the fire. And the rain settled down a little bit. And there's a couple of kangaroos out here, a baby one and a kangaroo, so you got to smile in these situations, don't you? And just go, yep, the rain's died down a bit now. I've got to get the cooker out and start cooking my spaghetti bog, I think. Well, the rain stopped and I've got the fire going, gas bottle's out, and I'm about to cook some spaghetti bog. So I think it's starting to clear up. Whoa. Only got a small amount of mince this time. Probably not quite half a kilo. Normally I put too much mince in there and get in trouble for wasting a lot of it. Good morning. Survived the night. I've got to say, I've got to give a plug for that Bushwakka awning though. It's done an absolute awesome job. It just rained on and off all night. The swag is dry. It's pretty not too bad in the wet anyway. There's no puddles of water up there once I've tied those couple of ropes down. The only thing for me, I could make it better by maybe some walls and an extra couple of poles. I didn't even know that was there. Firewood, eh? I might have to replenish the stuff that I use and put that in my bag. What do you reckon? I'll show you these new facilities. Just your standard drop toilet by the look of that. That's my next destination. Been a bit slow getting going this morning, only because of the rain. And I'm going to the next place is Del Morton camping area, so that's about an hour and a half to 2 hours up the road from here. I still haven't mastered. Well guys, just having one last look at this place. I picked the wrong track. Far out. You know, once the water's up, I don't know how long it takes to go down, so yeah, I just woke up in the night and just had a feeling about it, so I'm going to act on that feeling.